So in today's video, we're going to look at using average versus average A. To put this most simply, average A allows you to use and treat either blank data or data that is in text as a non-zero value. In other words, to not include it in the average. So let's take a look at this. It'll be easier to see. So here I've got the average of the population of these 15 cities. The average is 6,379,165.0667. Now, if I do average A, I will come up with the same answer. Average A. I do these, it is the same value. Let's just copy and paste special this, the actual value. And then let's copy the formats down. Okay, average original. Now, let's watch what happens when I say, okay, for San Diego, we don't have the value. It's unknown. You will see that both of these values change. The average is going to treat this as in it's blank. So let's take a look. So if we then take the first 14 and we go average for these, we come up with the same value that is here. So it's essentially, with this average, it's saying I'm going to take all of these and divide it by, it's actually by 15, by 14. It's going to take all these and divide it by 14. Whereas this is saying, I'm going to treat this like this is the number 0. So if I take this out and put in a 0, sorry, let's just undo that. So this is the original. Let's paste special values that. And let's just copy that over. So if I change this to 0, you will see that that is already treating it as 0. So it is almost saying, and you can see the average is now taking these and dividing it by 15. So average A will treat a missing value or a value that says like, unknown or NA or something like that, and treat it as a 0. So that's really important to know, that if you want your values that are missing or unknown to be treated as 0, average A is the best thing. Of course, you can go through your data and update any unknowns or NAs to 0 if that's how you want them to be treated. Or you can use average, and average would simply just say, okay, well, U and K is not a number, so I'm just going to take these 14 numbers, add them up, and divide by 14 essentially for average. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.